Could I get the mango smoothie, please? Yeah, that's it for now. For this man. Day 3, I think, in Pi. I love this place. Look at the view. Got a mango smoothie. Perfect. Thank you very much. Perfect. Have you got Wi-Fi?
That's about one.
Look at that, man. 130. Let's try it. Yeah. That's good. I can't get over this view. So we're all finished up now. What a cafe, man. What a cafe. I'm gonna go have a look and see if this waterfall, I believe it's nearby. One thing about the game, it's actually dry. The waterfall's nearby, I think, so I think we'll drive there and yeah, we'll see what it's all about. I should have left my backpack on the moped. I wonder if we can get in this. Obviously not there. I wonder if there's a place, like a hot spring or something. Bridge isn't dodgy at all, mate. Oh, there's over there, man. Okay. Pam Bok Waterfall. If I go in that water, I'm definitely getting an infection, 100%. See if it's hot. I'm definitely going to fall, yeah. Oh. Quite lukewarm for once.
You support Newcastle?
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah! There you go, man.
Ah!
Let's go.
He's going in, mad man.
Wow!
I'm going in. They can go in, and I'm going. Oh man! This guy. Nearly there. Oh. This guy. Damn! Damn! Holy shit! Hey! What a fucking... What a demo! Wow! What a belter! Oh, how am I going? I'm not gonna get in because I'm gonna get absolutely soaked. And that's gonna hurt like fuck. This guy's a legend from Saudi Arabia. What a guy. Go back now. Wow. Have to walk around barefoot for a bit. Dry off, but it's hot as anything out here. So.
Okay, we're fucking mad, bro. I'm like, no, get Newcastle. حبيبي استملك في ورد حبيبي حبيبي والله ورد
Damn. What a trip. I was like 100 baht to get in here, like surely it's not going to be that good. I didn't think you could actually go in. Mental. That was fucking mental, man. Woo. I'm gonna let this little seat in the middle of a cave at the minute. I get my shoes and socks back on, but that was so good. Woo. Got my shoes back on. That was, I don't know how to just like, it probably doesn't even look that good, but you're just like in there and there's this massive waterfall. It's like really loud, and that guy was such a vibe as well. I didn't know what the fuck he was on. He was either just like a crazy Saudi, or I'm pretty sure he said he was on mushrooms, but I'm not sure. Do what you want, man. Live your life. He seemed like he was having a great time. So I don't know if there's like much else, to be honest. The says it's like a big track, but there's no other steps or anything anywhere. So I suppose that is probably it. I need to go back and get a shower, to be honest, because that water is not clean whatsoever. Different things like all these viewpoints, hot spring. So there's the waterfall there. So I imagine it's actually probably up these roads. But nah, I need to go back and get a shower. Look at this, man. Oh. Best you've ever had. Oh my fucking god. That was hectic. Look at me. You can see where the chest strap's been. Oh my god. It's horrible driving in that though, when it's raining and you're going like 80 kilometers an hour and the rain just, it feels like little fucking rocks just hitting your face constantly. But we're back at the hotel now. Oh, thank god. I need to get changed. I haven't got much clothes left. I need to do some washing badly. Shit. Yeah, I do. But yeah, now it's fully raining. Right, we're all showered, ready. I need some food, so I'm gonna head down. I'm gonna go to the same market I went to yesterday, actually. The night market type vibe. Is it raining? No. I've got my jacket in my bag. Anyways, oh shit, I already stacked it. Yeah, I'm gonna go to that night market and see what's about. I think that sandwich was good, but I'm not gonna get it again. It's actually got a name. It's called Bon Mi, I think it's called. I looked it up because it was just so good. But I'm gonna leave the bike here as well. I'm just gonna walk because it's like a 10-minute walk, and ever since I got the bike, I just have not been doing any steps. Get out there. I'm in just the most raggedy outfit because I've got nothing left. I need to wash everything, so that's the plan for tomorrow. I actually check out this place tomorrow, so the plan is check out. I've already got another place booked, which is also a nice place, but it's a little bit far from the centre. I'm going to extend my bike for 2 days. If I can't do that, then I'll just go somewhere else and get another bike. Extend my bike for 2 more days and do 2 more nights here, and then I think the plan is Koh Samui. I think I'm going to go there. I'm going to stay here for the McGregor fight, simply because he's not going to fight until 9 AM anyways. So there's no point in going to like a pub or anything like that. I'll just get up early, head down to the centre, find somewhere that's got it on, have a coffee, and then start my day from there, where I think that might be my travel day. The 12th, yeah, and I'll check out my hotel on the 12th and then travel from there. But yeah, remember, this is the road that we'll come down first day of Pi. I had to walk from the bottom of there all the way up here with my bags on in the rain. It was hectic, but yeah, we'll walk down, see what's about, and we'll get some scran. Starting to get down to the actual market now. A bit more food places down here. I don't know what I fancy, to be honest. I'm gonna, if I'm not completely full, I think after that I'm gonna get one of them rotis, Nutella or chocolate roti. There's that Mint and Co place that I walked past yesterday and I said it looked good. Let's have a look again. Okay, we'll have a look. You alright? Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Can I get the chicken cheesesteak?
Yes.
That looks so good. Wedges. Alright. Oh. Right, I'm gonna recover this. Smoked it, mate. Absolutely smoked it. The wedges were meh. The actual chicken and cheese baguette was unreal. It did have onions in, which I took a few of them out, but it wasn't even that bad. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it. I'm going to walk back up there now, see if they've got any rotis. I looked it up. It's like a flatbread. I think it said it's originally like made in India or something, and the Thai version is a little bit different. But we'll try it. We'll see what it's like. That's probably why I booked another 2 nights, because I'm not sure what I'm doing.
Where have you been?
I've been to Bangkok and I've been to Chiang Mai. That's all I've done so far. What about you?
So I've been in Bangkok,
You do all the other islands near Koh Phangan.
so what is it?
Is it like Koh Samui, Koh Tao? Yeah. What was that like? Because I'm thinking about going there next. She was lovely. I think she's from like America or something. Okay. And she's literally just got here. So speaking to her about giving her as much advice as I could, but haven't really been here for that long. Let's go find some roti. It's starting to rain again. Fuck's sake. Just went past that donut place. They look good. I think that's it. It's spelled different though. He looks trustworthy, does he? Fuck it. Let's have a look. Hello. Can I get Nutella roti? What is it?
Roti.
Yeah, what's the
Dough.
dough? Okay. It's good. See it? Let's try it. He wasn't the nicest of men, but he was alright. Well, that's good. I mean, kind of just like a pancake, to be honest. Like a Nutella pancake. A lot of oil though. I do like it. That was good. I'd probably give it a 7.5 out of 10. I've got to show you these donuts, so I'm sorry about. They look so nice. I'm not gonna get any because I'm gonna be good, but I'll show you.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
They look so nice. Really nice. I'm trying to be good. Trying to be good. Right, 7-Eleven. Get some supplies for tonight. I'm still yet to try a proper lava cake. I had one, a cold one though, and I had it in the fridge, and I don't know why. But where are they? There. I'm gonna heat them up for you as well. Oh my god, that looks fucking disgusting. Fish and cheese muffin. Right, I'm gonna get Gatorade. Ooh, they've got the purple zero. Legendary Bull. And a big bottle of water. Because you can't drink the tap water here. The jellies. Oh my god, they're awful selection, man. They only do little bags as well. Just want a big bag of Tamfastics. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little bit of a walk around. You've seen this all before if you've watched my other videos. If you haven't, then watch them. I'm going to have a walk around now and then walk back to the hotel probably in about half an hour. I need to get some steps in. I mean, I'm just going to be walking up and down the same streets that I've already done. So if you haven't seen them, watch my other video and you'll see them in there. But yeah, that's another successful day ticked off in Pi. And yeah, we've got another 3 nights here. I've booked another 2 nights. Literally like half an hour ago I booked an extra 2 nights. And then we'll head off. I think Koh Samui might be the spot. See you in the next one, I suppose.